What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a no makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna start off by using the Miscellar Water to clean off any excess off our eyebrows before applying our raw frizz. We're gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia brow frizz. I'm not sure if you guys like this product. This is my first time using it, so I'm gonna see how it does and how well it holds up. You guys know in my last video that I posted of my eyebrow tutorial, I use the glue sticks, which I've been using for years now, and so I'm just trying something new. The two that I am using over here, you can get it from Amazon. It comes with a palette so that you can be able to mix your foundation. So I just use that tool to kind of flatten out the eyebrows once I apply the brow frizz. Here I'm just adding some dark brown powder eyeshadow to my brows so I can fill in the gaps that, in areas that I am missing. Makeup Hydro Primer over here. Born This Way Too Faced in the color Butterscotch to just apply 2 dots under my eyes. I then go ahead and use my L'Oreal in the color C8 to also kind of mix, because that color is closer to my skin tone, so I just add some of that under the eye to kind of make sure that I keep the color of my skin in there. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but I want the under of my eyes to be bright, but I don't want it to like stand out because we're going for a no makeup look. Once that is applied, we're going to go on with a little small angle brush to kind of buff that out. I'm not using a beauty blender because I tend to see that the beauty blender kind of takes away the product. So using the brush and just kind of patting it in has giving me the effect that I'm going for. So I've been doing that lately. Maybe if you guys are using a beauty blender, you're seeing that your makeup is not staying on, try using this method, because I've been using this method and it is amazing. Juvias Place concealer in the color number 7 just around my lips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in to just make everything come together. me out. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now, what I've been seeing the girls been doing is using a dry beauty blender to apply their translucent powder. And let me tell you, that is the best technique on the planet, because not only does it brighten the eye, it has like this long lasting effect, which is amazing. Some color back into the skin, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Sephora matte bronzer in the color 6 Ibiza to just contour a little bit, in a way contour my face and make everything come together. Product on the planet, I'm not even over exaggerating, is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Best product ever. It is a powder foundation that comes with I don't know what to even call that, but that little tool that it comes with that you can pat everything on your skin. Let me tell you, this is the best powder. It gives you like this matte finish. It makes you look like your skin is just perfect. And so I go ahead and apply this to my skin and I pat it in everywhere. I finish off by using the Ulta powder. It is in the color dark cool, and I use my Morphe angle brush to kind of just blend everything in to make everything just come together, girl. It's blush time, girl. So we're gonna go in with our blush. I'm using the pinkyish color and some type of brownish color in this palette. Please don't ask me where I got this palette from, because I do not remember. I've had it for the past 5 years. I believe it came in my makeup kit when I was going to school, so I don't know where they got it. I'm sorry, but I use this color to kind of just bring some color back to the face. And I then go ahead and just use the excess powder that was on my angle brush from the Ulta powder to just kind of just blend everything in to make everything look seamless and put together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milk Makeup Hydro Setting Spray to just finish everything off to make sure everything stays in place. We're going in with our Makiage mascara. This is the best mascara I've ever had. So if you are looking on the outs for a mascara, go ahead and copy this. When I'm doing a no makeup look, I do not want to apply lashes because that just defeats the purpose of just no makeup. Plus, I've been really enjoying the no lash thing. I don't know about you girls, but the no lash just mascara just is a hit for me now. the lips, I'm going in with my NYX dark brown lip pencil. I just outlined my lips a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora color number 1. I've had this lipstick forever, so I don't even know if they have that anymore. And then I go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I got this as a gift for purchasing something at Ulta. So once this is done, I'm gonna go get the big bottle because this is amazing. And then I went ahead and used a Ulta lip gloss, it's Essence clear lip gloss, to just finish everything off. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so I can continue to make videos for you guys. I have a lot of things that I want to share with you guys, so please don't forget to follow this channel, as well as follow me on my social medias, which will be linked down in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.